20 famous educational quotes. 1. Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Malcolm X. 2. Education is one thing no one can take away from you. Elin Nordegren. 3. Education's purpose is to replace an empty mind with an open one. Malcolm Forbes. 4. The whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Sidney J. Harris. 5. Learning is not attained by chance. It must be sought for with ardor and attended to with diligence. Abigail Adams. 6. You learn something new every day if you pay attention. LeBlond. 7. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. 8. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. 9. The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education. Martin Luther King Jr. 10. A person who won't read has no advantage over a person who can't read. Mark Twain. 11. Education is not the filling of a pail but the lighting of a fire. William Butler Yeats. 12. Education is the key to unlock a golden door of freedom. George Washington Carver. 13. You are always a student, never a master. You have to keep moving forward. Conrad Hall. 14. The great aim of education is not knowledge but action. Herbert Spencer. 15. The goal of education is the advancement of knowledge and the dissemination of truth. John F. Kennedy. 16. The great difficulty in education is to get experience out of ideas. George Santayana. 17. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Aristotle. 18. A good education is a foundation for a better future. Elizabeth Warren. 19. Education must not simply teach work, it must teach life. W.E.B. Du Bois. 20. All real education is the architecture of the soul. William Bennett. Thanks for watching.